Some storage jars, even the round ones, were blown into molds, and this was probably a way of controlling their size more accurately. Here, a bubble is lowered into a round mold and blown firmly. And this instantly sets the diameter of the bottom and flattens the bottom as well. Here's an option of great speed to simply flip the vessel around and use the moil, the glass left on the blowpipe, as a puntee. That said, most storage jars don't have puntee marks. Most were held with a clamp during the process of forming the rim and adding the handle. Here's the inner fold. And here, the neck and the rim are given their final shapes.